Hello learners. Welcome to fourth video of this TypeScript tutorial. In this video, we will learn some of the special types in TypeScript. In the last video we have seen two different ways of type assignment where we discussed some of the common types like number, string and boolean. Today, we will explore it more and learn different special types. Stick to this video till the end. If you are new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you are not following this TypeScript playlist, I would request you to please follow this TypeScript full course playlist. You will get the link in the I button or in the description box. Let's get started with the video. In the last video, if you can recall, we have seen a special type called any. In this video, we will explore it in details. Any is a data type which disables type checking. You can assign any value to it, whether it is number, string, boolean, object, etc. On using any TypeScript will never throw any error, even if you try something wrong. Let's see an example of it. You can see on replacing the value of number type with string it shows error that string value could not be assigned to number. TypeScript shows error even before compiling. This is also one of the benefit of using TypeScript. Now as soon as we specified the type of num variable as any, the error disappeared. Our code runs absolutely fine. You can see that earlier our variable was of type number, then it got replaced to type string, and then it got replaced to type boolean. And on replacing our variable value with different types, our code ran absolutely fine. Similar to any, we have one more data type, unknown. Unknown is similar to any data type, but it is considered safer option. You can assign any value to it. For using unknown, you must first check its type. Let's see how. In our previous code, I replaced any with unknown. You can see that our code runs absolutely fine, giving the exact same output as before. But what is the difference between any and unknown? Let's look more closely. Any turns off type checking, but unknown forces you to check the type before using. Let's understand this with an example. In this example, as you can see, there is an error line displayed when we are using the type of num as unknown. Which is correct because we cannot apply to uppercase method to a boolean. But when we change the type of num from unknown to any, the error disappeared. So, in real-life scenarios, you must consider using unknown, as it is the safer option than any. Now let's see how you can check unknown before using it. Let's explore other data type, which is bigint. Normally in JavaScript TypeScript, we use number to store numeric values. But there's a limit to how big a number can store, which is to raise to power 53-1. If you go beyond this limit, the number becomes inaccurate. Thus, bigint is used to store very large integers accurately. Let's see how we use it. It is necessary to use n at the end of your bignum, as it differentiates between your number and bigint. Here, we can see an error that bigint literals are not available when targeting lower than ES 2020. This means we need to make some changes inside our tsconfig file we have initialized in our previous video. If you have not seen the previous video, you can click on the I button above. Here, we need to change our target ES version to 2020 or above. Now, there are two ways you can compile the TypeScript file. First, by simply using tsc. Second, you need to specify the target version while compiling your TypeScript file. You can also perform various arithmetic operations with bigint as well. Next data type we have is symbol. Symbol is a primitive data type which is used to create unique identifiers. Even if two symbols have same description, they are never equal. Let's see a quick demonstration of it. Two symbols with same description are also not the same. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned something new from it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click on the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Also give your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video. Do check out the playlist in the description box. Bye.